This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give.
Hey guys, welcome back to Dino Toy Club. We're gonna put on our cool tool gloves and let's see what we got in our mystery toolbox. Remember, if you're not a club member of the Dino Toy Club, you gotta make sure you subscribe to our channel. How do you subscribe to the channel to see all the new videos? You gotta press that red button right down there. See that red button that says subscribe? That is the magic button to the Toy Club. Let's take a look. Here we go, guys. What's inside? Open it up. Ooh, we got an electric drill, but we've got more tool toys. Here they come. Awesome. Adjustable wrench. Cool. Whoa, calipers. We gotta love the calipers. All right, let's take a look at what we got next.
Hey guys, it is time for the DNM Toy Club! Let's go!
Here we go! What else we got? Ooh, we got a brand new electric drill! Electric drills are cool! This one's got a light on it! Awesome! Goggles! You gotta always wear your goggles to protect your eyes! Cool goggles! Those are orange. What else we got up? Whoa! That's a metal grinder. That grinds metal down and makes it smooth. Whoa! Look at the construction trucks! Look out! Coming through! Alright, what else do we got? Some more electric drills! Tool toys! Cool! Hey, there's an orange caliper. Look at that! Ooh, double-sided wrench. Jackhammer. I think we've got some, oh, cool, lug nuts and bolts. Awesome. Woo-woo! Oh, yeah. Electric drill. Cool. What do we got up next? Surprise tools. Woo-woo! Alright, check him out. We got a toolbox full of toys. I think we got a big old construction truck coming up. Bulldozer. Who likes bulldozers? If you like bulldozers, let me know in the comments box. If you're a fan of the bulldozer, check out those pliers. Is that a screw or a nail? Nope, I think that's a screw. Sledgehammer!